Good morning. It's August 12th on Wednesday. You should have seen that there was a due now, and it's a simple check-in. So let me just show you what that looks like. The check-in will look like this, along with just some questions that I'm asking just to see how you're doing. You know, what are you feeling for that day? Do you have any questions for me? Were you able to get on your assignments? That kind of thing. So this is going to be an every Wednesday thing, being that this is a new way of learning. I want to just see how you're doing. And this is an opportunity for you to let me know that. So every Wednesday you will do a check-in like this. Okay. Today what we're going to do is some classroom expectations and who is Mrs. Thompson. Actually, we already did classroom expectations, so we're not going to do that. We did all the station things on Monday. So this is just a chance for you to get to know me and for me to get to know you. So our objective for today is I can make inferences about Mrs. Thompson. An inference is an educated guess based on what you read or see. And then finally, I can create a t-shirt all about me. And I know I'm successful when I can look at pictures and make an educated guess, explain my inference, and fill in all the blanks on the t-shirt about yourself. So this is also a chance for me to get to know you today too. So Mrs. Thompson, 7th grade, language arts, read 180. So who is Mrs. Thompson? Okay, if we were in whole group, we would be doing this activity together. And what this activity is using your detective skills to figure out and collect data about who I am. So you're going to use your observations on the next slide by looking at the actual bookshelf that I've made, and you're going to justify your claims. So this bookshelf is in your assignment. So after this video is over, you can click next and start. But here is my bookshelf full of things about me. So take just a second to look at that when you bring the slideshow up. And then what you're going to do is you're going to answer some of these, not some of them, but all of the questions here. So here is the claim. Mrs. Thompson is married, true or false? Based on what you see in here, what would be your claim, okay? You would mark it true or false and then say, this is what I saw. And you might say, I saw a picture of, and then you would put what you saw a picture of, and then how would you explain that? If you saw me in a picture with a man with his arm around me, what can you explain about that? Usually, oh, that means that somebody is married. So that would be your reasoning. So the evidence, what picture led you to believe that, and then explain the picture to me, okay? So you'll go through 3 different ones. Mrs. Thompson has how many kids? You're going to put a number here. Outside of school, Miss Thompson likes to, and you're simply going to fill in the blank here. So, sorry, when it gets minimized, you can actually type in the boxes here, okay? So that's what you'll do. You'll type inside these boxes. You don't want to put it in present mode. You won't be able to type, but minimized like this, you are able to. So after you go through all of these and answer the questions, then I will have a second video for you to go through. So you can go ahead, take a look, see what's on my bookshelf, and try to figure out things about Mrs. Thompson.